Satnam. Welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through a meditation. This is great for beginners, and looks like my cat's joining us today. He's not so much a beginner, but it's great for beginners in that when you first start to meditate, it's incredibly hard to stay still for long periods of time. It's hard to focus, it's hard to let the mind go, and it's especially hard to do this all on your own. So I really hope this video will be beneficial to you and helpful in you beginning to guide yourself through meditation. Feel free to watch it as many times as you want and just meditate along with me. It's also great for people that aren't new to meditation. Sometimes we just have days where we cannot focus in on our own. Our minds are so scattered, we're so stressed, it's really difficult to do. So just get in a really relaxed seat. We will tune in first with the Adi mantra and look forward to a video of me introducing this mantra and this tune-in, because I know some of you are not familiar with it. But for now, just follow along as best you can. Rub your hands together a little bit. Inhale, close your eyes. Exhale. And inhale to tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply. Suspend the breath just for a moment, squeezing the palms together. And exhale, relax the hands onto the knees. Feel your sits bones on the floor. If you need to be in a chair, make sure your feet are flat on the ground and your back is straight. Still resting the hands on the knees. Take an inhale in. With that inhale, lengthen up the spine towards the ceiling or the sky. And exhale, relax the shoulders. And just to give a little warm up to the spine, let's inhale our hearts forward slightly. Exhale, curl them back. Inhale, lift the heart forward. Exhale, back, flexing the spine. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back, letting the shoulders be as relaxed as possible. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. Keep doing this on your own. Find your pace. If it feels good to do smaller movements and move quicker, do that. If it feels good to go nice and slow, just go nice and slow. These spinal flexes help us to get the spine ready, get the chakras ready for a deeper meditation. Always want to do a little bit of warm-ups on the spine before you begin meditation. Start to slow down. Inhale straight back to center. Keeping those hands relaxed on the knees. Start to become aware of your breath, slowing the breath down. Feel your sits bones rooted firmly to the floor. Straighten up the spine. If you need a cushion, it's not too late to grab a cushion to raise up your hips from the floor. This will help relieve any kind of strain that you're feeling in your hips, thighs, lower back, middle back, upper back. Some of us have different flexibilities, and that's okay. Do whatever you can to relieve the pressure. You want to be as comfortable as possible. Inhaling and exhaling. Keep lengthening the spine on that inhale. Consciously relaxing the shoulders on the exhale. On the next inhale, bring the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale, roll them back and down to relaxed position. Inhaling and exhaling. Turn those hands so the palms are facing up, resting on the knees. Touch your first finger to your thumb in Gyan Mudra. Arms are straight, elbows are straight. Allowing yourself to receive the healing nature of meditation. Allowing yourself to be open. And on the next inhale, as you straighten the spine, tuck your chin slightly in towards the back of your spine. Just straight back. The straighter the spine is, and the cervical neck part of your spine, the straighter that is with the whole spinal column, the better the energy will flow. The calmer your nervous system will be. Just keeping aware of that breath. Notice the rise and the fall of the belly inflating, expanding on the inhale, and relaxing back towards the spine on the exhale. This kind of movement is new to you. Play around with it. Get that oxygen, that prana, all the way down to the belly and expand it. Expand the whole belly, the whole diaphragm on your inhale. Expand your chest even a little bit, and on the exhale, relax everything down. And relax the shoulders. Keep taking notice of this rise and fall of the belly. You might notice that the belly expands first, then the diaphragm, ribs area, and then the upper chest. And on the exhale, the upper chest falls, diaphragm falls, belly collapses and relaxes. With your eyes closed down, slowly look up and in towards your third eye point, maintaining the breath. Right up there in between the eyebrows, just lightly, gently focus up at that spot. It'll help you calm your mind and calm your thoughts. And it'll open up the gateway to your intuition, to your soul's purpose, to your higher self, to your truth. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Feel the sensation of the air moving up through the nostrils on that inhale and into the belly, and out through the nostrils on that exhale. Becoming more and more aware, heightening your senses, bringing more awareness around the body and the breath. See if you can't deepen the breath even further. Slowing it down. Inhaling and slowly counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling, counting to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the counting has helped you keep that up in your mind, slowly counting up to whatever number that you can lengthen your breath to at a comfortable pace. Your mind starts to wander, just focus on the counting. Just come back to your focus very gently, no judging the thoughts that are coming in, just letting them come in and pass, just bounce away from your auric field. They're just thoughts. It's just the ego coming in. Keep focus on our higher self, on that third eye. So we can practice acting and making decisions from our intuition rather than our crazy monkey minds. With each inhale, bring in the healing force of the air. Feel its warm, positive glow coming all the way into your body, into the cells, lighting you up. And exhaling any kind of stress or negativity as you relax the shoulders. Inhaling that positive vibration, that warm glowing light within you. Exhaling all the toxicity, anything that's not serving you. This is your place of warmth, of safety, peace and calm, just following the flow of the inhale of the breath, exhaling out all the tension. On your next inhale, straightening up the spine even more, reaching the crown of your head to the ceiling, up to the sky. Exhaling, relaxing the shoulders and the jaw. Inhale strength, inhale courage, inhale focus and energy, and exhale all the bad, releasing all the tension from any muscle that feels tense. Just breathe as deeply as you can, as slowly as you can on your own for the next minute or so. Inhale deeply, straighten the spine, suspend the breath. Exhale all the breath out. Suspend the breath out. Inhale all that breath completely, expanding. Hold it there. Exhale all the breath out. All the way. Hold the breath out. Inhale the breath in. All the way in. Expand. Make yourself tall. Hold that breath. Feel the grace in your posture. And exhale. Hold the breath out. Take another relaxing inhale and exhale. Okay. I hope that felt good, and I hope that helped you to relax a little more and focus a little more for meditation. Please follow this video as many times as you want to, and stay tuned for more. Alright, Sat Nam everybody.